Good afternoon, it's Pat Walker, and today is Thursday, November 9th. My middle son's birthday today, November 9th. So I wanted to share some charts with you today and just point out a few things for you. We have a website called missionwinners.com. Mission stands for markets, industries, sectors, stocks, institutional support, outstanding. O stands for outstanding. Outstanding product, outstanding management, outstanding service, outstanding niche in their market. And the N stands for never say never. It's the mindset. We constantly are focusing. We don't quit. We keep going. We look for leading groups and we look for leading stocks. I want to show you 4 stocks that we're still in. And these are stocks that I sent out and I told people where to buy them and where I'm buying them, the price. And I sent it out the day before. This isn't a case of, oh gosh, buy this right now, here it goes. No, I don't. We have to be prepared. Every evening we go through, we look at the charts slowly, we analyze them, we look for clean and simple entries. A clean and simple entry will give you a clean and simple exit if it drops. So this is one of them, ACLS. It's just got a nice long base right here. And you can see this little tops here across this shelf. Right here on this day, there was the volume spike lifting through. Right here at around $25 a share. That was the entry spot. 25, and look at how it walks up the 8-day. You sell some into strength, it loses the 8-day, but it stays above the 20-day. You still are in a great profit zone. You don't sell the rest, you let it work. You have enough of a cushion that you own it through earnings with your last shares. Look at the numbers. 400% increase in earnings on a 59% increase in revenues. By the way, this program is MarketSmith. I was in the beta test group on the development of this product back in early 2000s. I love MarketSmith. I don't work for them. I don't get paid by them. I get no compensation. I am a spokesman for Investors Business Daily at an IBD meetup. That's done for free. My goal is this, to educate people and speed up the learning curve. It's just a great program, but it's walking up. So we're in this. You're in here right around $25 a share and it's trading in 34. $9 on 25. Do the math. That's number 1. And again, great product, great group, great revenues, great sales, great chart pattern, great estimates. It's what we look for. That's the first one. Here's the second one, Square. I mentioned this a couple of times. There were a couple of entry zones. Right here was one. Right here was one going through $29 a share. Again, I make a note here. Leading groups, leading stocks. Simple chart pattern. A clean and simple entry gives you a clean and simple exit. I want people to understand that. It helps us minimize losses. It helps us ride trends. Got in here right at a little over $29 a share. And it's just walking up the 8-day. You sell some into strength. You don't sell all of it. We had a big enough cushion. We own it up here. We are down here. You've got a big enough cushion. You let some work through earnings. I want to show you. Again, Bill O'Neill points out companies that have a great product, a unique niche, that are in leading groups, that are making a ton of money, that's what you focus on. Look at this growth. 225% increase in earnings over a 21% increase in revenues. 200% over 22. 250 over 26%. 600 over 33. I call that sweet potato pie. You want to see something else awesome? Look at the earnings estimates going forward. They're looking for a 500% increase in earnings this year over last year. They're looking for 79% increase in earnings next year over this year. This company has a unique niche. By the way, I'm not saying buy it now. It's extended. Don't do that. You've got to find clean entries. Right in here was a clean entry. Right in here on a downward sloping trend line was a clean entry. We're in this. You let it work. Leading groups, leading stocks, and again, every night on missionwinners.com, I send out a key list. It's between 5 and probably 17 stocks that I am keying on the next day to buy. Do we own this? Yes, we do. ACLS? Yes, we do. Do members own it? Yes, they do. And you let it work. SolarEdge. Clean and simple entry right here. We're in it. Walking up the moving average. You sell some into strength on the way up. You can say, oh, no, hang on to all of it. No, there's a reason why. Because if it does start to drop, you can panic out and miss the rest of the moves. By the way, leading group, A+ rated group, leading groups, leading stocks. I can't stress that enough. I'm very systematized in my approach. I used to periodically teach outdoor survival skills, especially at higher elevation levels. You got to have rules. You got to have rigidity. Or you know what? You're going to die. Same thing's true here. You've got to have rules. You've got to stick with the rules, or you're going to financially die. That's what we do. Just real simple. Volume confirmation. They lost money, or not, they didn't lose money. They had a decrease in earnings and revenues, decrease. Look at how they turned the corner. 25 over 9. 25% increase in earnings over a 9% increase in revenues. 61% over 30. That's nice. Walking up the line. Leading group. It's what we look for. How long is it going to go? I don't know. I don't know the future. All we do is we let the trend, the 8-day or the 20-day, work for us. And that's what we did. SolarEdge. Dine. Take a look at this. Dine had a nice little shelf right here, a cup and a handle base, and it lifted through on a pickup in volume. The numbers, 146 over 19, 42 over 6, 64 over 31, 64 over 23. Good estimates going forward. A+ rated group. Do you catch the theme here? Leading groups and leading stocks. That's what we look for. Systematized. It's the key to the game. Over and over. That's what we're looking for. Little base here, lifts through on a volume pickup, and it's marching up the line. We sell some into strength. It has earnings, and what's it do? It takes off, and it's walking up the 8-day. How long? I don't know, but it's a good return. It's a nice return. We're in here around $36, $37. You say, oh, it's only up to $43.64. Well, I'll tell you what. If you take out a piece of paper and a pencil, and you just bought 100 shares of each of these stocks, just 100, at the breakout spot that was on the list, right now you're up around $3,800. $3,800 on 100 shares. That's good money. That's what we're looking for. So I wanted to share this with you. That's what we do. It's at missionwinners.com. I'd love to work for you. My background is in education. I love to teach people how to do this. And it's real world. Been doing it since 1986. I just want to share it and help people. I thank you very much. I hope you all have a good autumn night. The trees are beautiful out there. The weather's good. Hope you all enjoy it. Take care, and I will talk to you soon.